Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can download and install the Tantan app and sign up for it. So Tantan is an online dating application or social networking application with potential matchmaking. So if you want to download and install the Tantan application and create an account for yourself, watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to download and install the Tantan application and sign up for it as well. So the first thing you want to do in order to download the Tantan application is open a Play Store or an App Store according to your mobile device. Then in the search field, search for Tantan. Once you search for Tantan, you'll see something like this. Now here, tap on the install button and now wait for the download and installation process to complete. So once the download is complete, moving to the sign up process, what you need to do is open the Tantan application. So tap on the open button. So once you open the Tantan application, you'll land on an interface like this. Now here you'll have two options, one to continue with your phone number and one to continue with the Facebook account. So if you want to use a Facebook account as a Tantan account, choose the continue with Facebook option, then enter your Facebook account credentials and log into the Tantan account. Then if you want to create an independent Tantan account using a mobile number, what you can do is choose the continue with phone number option. Then you'll be asked to enter your phone number, so go ahead and enter your phone number. Once you enter your phone number, tap on the continue button. Once you tap on the continue button, Tantan will send a verification code to the phone number that you have entered, so wait for the verification code to arrive. Once you receive the verification code, enter the code, then you'll land on an e-form like this. Now here you'll have to enter a nickname for yourself, enter your date of birth, then select a gender and create a password for yourself, so go ahead and do that. So once you enter your nickname, enter your date of birth, select a gender, create a password for yourself, tap on the continue button. Once you tap on the continue button, you'll be asked to enter a few of your photos, so add a photo by tapping on add a photo option. So once you add a photo, you'll successfully create a Tantan account, and now you can use your Tantan account and enjoy swiping right to left and meeting people. So those are the simple steps in order to download and install the Tantan application and sign up for it. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.